Want to learn Urdu? Subscribe to my channel to get the daily dose of a Urdu lesson. So let's get started. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we're going to start our lesson number 11, which is family in Urdu. So in this lesson we're going to talk about how to say father, mother, brother, sister and every family relation in Urdu. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first word is father. The meaning of father in Urdu is Walid. But in Urdu, no one refers to their father as Walid. Means when you have to call your father, you will basically say two words. The first one is Abu. Repeat after me. Abu. The second one is Baba. Repeat after me. Baba. The both words basically means dad in English. Our next word is mother. Just like father, the meaning of mother is Walda, but no one refers to their mother as Walda. To call out your mothers in Urdu, people usually say Ammi. Repeat after me. Ammi. There is also a trend of saying Mama in Urdu to refers to their mothers. So you can also say Mama. That doesn't change any sense. So our next word is brother. So the meaning of brother in Urdu is bhai. Repeat after me. Bhai. So now our next word is sister. To say sister, you have to say a single word, which is behan. Repeat after me. Behan. One more time. Behan. Now our next word is grandparents. For in English, grandfather and grandmother is used for both mothers and father's parents. But in Urdu, there is a different word for both grandparents. So let's start with father's side. The grandfather from the father's side is Dada. Repeat after me. Dada. And grandmother from the father's side is Dadi. Repeat after me. Dadi. Now the grandparents from the mother's side. Grandfather from the mother's side is Nana. Repeat after me. Nana. And grandmother from the mother's side is Nani. Repeat after me. Nani. Now our next word is uncle and aunt in Urdu. So just like grandparents, the uncle and aunt in Urdu has a different word for mother's side and have a different one from father's side. First of all, we're gonna start with the father's side. So the aunt from the father's side is called in Urdu as Phupho. Repeat after me. Phupho. And the uncle from the father's side is called Chacha. Repeat after me. Chacha. I want to make it clear that the aunt is the sister of your father and uncle refers to the brother of your father. Now we will say the brother-in-law of father and sister-in-law of father in Urdu. So this brother-in-law of father means the father's sister husband, which is your uncle basically in English, have a different word in Urdu, which is Phupha. Repeat after me. Phupha. And the sister-in-law of your father, which is the wife of your father's brother, basically your aunt in English, have a different meaning in Urdu, which is Chachi or Chachi. Repeat after me. Chachi. Repeat after me. Chachi. We're gonna say uncle and aunt from the mother's side. To say aunt from the mother's side, you will refer as Khala. Repeat after me. Khala. And to say uncle from the mother's side, you can say Mamu. Repeat after me. Mamu. Now we're gonna say brother-in-law of your mother and sister-in-law of your mother. So brother-in-law of your mother, which is the husband of your aunt, will refer as Khalu. Repeat after me. Khalu. And sister-in-law of your mother, which is refers as your uncle's wife, means your aunt, as Mumani. Read after me. Mumani. So now we're gonna say niece and nephew in Urdu. Niece and nephew also have two different words for brother and sister side. It is not referred to mother or father side. It refers as brother and sister side. Means your brother daughter is have a different word in Urdu, and your brother and your sister daughter will be referred as a different word in Urdu. So now we're gonna say niece, which is from your sister's side in Urdu. So the meaning of niece from your sister's side, this daughter of your sister will refer as Bhanji. Repeat after me, Bhanji. And the son of your sister will be referred as Bhanja. Repeat after me, Bhanja, which is nephew in English. Our next word will be the daughter of your brother, which is basically niece in English, but it has a different word in Urdu, which is Bhatiji. Repeat after me, Bhatiji. And the son of your brother will be Bhatija. Repeat after me, Bhatija. Congratulations, you completed your lesson number 11, which was family relation in Urdu. So now it's time for a little tips. In Urdu, you can add Jan to the words brother, sister, mother, father to show more love to your dear ones. For example, you can say Bhai Jan, or you can say Mama Jan, Dadi Jan, or Baba Jan, etc. So next tip is how to call out your big sisters. So basically, little sister you can call out their names, but to call out the big sister you have to refer a specific word, because Urdu is a very respectable language. You can't say your elder person name. So to say call out your big sister, you can use the word Api or Baji, and you can add Jan after these words. You don't use Behan to call out your sister. Behan is only refers to as this is my sister. You can say ये मेरी बहन है. So to call out your sister in a more proper way, you can say Api or Baji and add Jan after it to show some more respect. Our next step is how to say cousin brother or cousin sister. It is very simple. You can just have to say, if you want to say he's my cousin sister, you can say she's my cousin sister, you can say Chacha Zad Behan. If she's his sister, she is your uncle's daughter. Or you can say if he's your uncle's son, you can say he is my Chacha Zad Bhai or Mamu Zad Bhai. You just have to add the relation, add Zad, and next one the brother or sister. So hope you like my video and understand all of the relation. If you have any question, ask me in the description, ask me in the comment box. Like my video, share my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Khuda Hafiz.